Hello, hi, namaste. Welcome to my channel DIY with Bhavana. Today I'm going to show you how to use all pliers to make a wire earring. You can check the description box for product link. First of all, you have to take 6 inches long 0.6 mm wire, cut with the wire cutter, or you can say cutter pliers. Insert the 8 mm glass bead into the wire. Now you have to bend it and make a round. You just follow the direction like a video. First you have to make a round 8 mm beads, and then you have to twist the rest of the wire with another wire. Just move ahead like this way, and you have to cut the excess wire with the cutter pliers. Now we are going to assemble the excess wire with the help of flat nose plier. Now you have to make a loop with the help of chain nose plier. I'm going to make a medium size loop. Now just twist the wire towards the bead. Now you have to cut the excess wire with the help of cutter pliers. Again you have to assemble the wire tip. Now you have to spread it out all wire, and you have to keep the bead in middle. Again you have to take a wire, make a simple loop, insert the pendant which you made before into the wire. Again you have to cut the wire with the cutter pliers. Now you have to insert one 8 mm bead. You have to make a loop and twist all wire towards the 8 mm bead like this way. Cut the wire and assemble the wire tip with the help of flat nose plier. Again you have to make a simple loop with the help of round nose plier. Again you have to cut the wire how much you need. Insert the pendant again into the loop. Close the loop very nicely. Again insert 8 mm glass bead. Repeat the same process which you have done before. Just bend or twist the wire towards the 8 mm bead to make a loop. When you finished twisting, you have to cut the wire. Again, you have to assemble wire tip with the help of flat nose plier. Now I'm going to open jump ring. Insert the jump ring into the loop. Again with the stud earring findings. With the help of bend nose plier, I'm closing the jump ring. Now you can see how beautiful earring we made with the help of these pliers. You can make your wire earring from simple to advanced level with the help of these pliers. These tools are good. The stand is very helpful to organize our pliers. This wooden base is very perfect for organize your pliers in a proper place. You can use these all pliers for cutting, curling, pressing and twisting. Thank you for watching. If you like to my videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you. See you next video.